Good morning to one and all present over here. Myself Gungun Kumari. I am from class 9 JNV Durgapur. On the competition of 48 Jawaharlal Nehru Math and Science exhibition, I am going to show my model on this competition. As we know that the theme of our competition is toy and the technology. So my model is nothing but the mixture of toy and technology. So at first I would like to say something about its structure. So you can see here I had made it by putting six square cardboard together. Okay, I also put here four wheels that helps my model to run. You can see how it runs. Okay, with this I had put a head containing eyes or the mouth that is a funny like structure. I also had kept a pen cap and the thread. You can see that by its color, design, look, it is very funny and attractive. That attracts all the children towards their self. Okay, with this, it is to that I had told about its structure. Okay, now I am coming about its function. As it is a toy, with being attracted to all children, it also contains some features. You can see there is a pipe. Yes, my friends, it is a pipe you can see. Okay, it is nothing but the pipe of vacuum cleaner. Yes, my friends, it is the pipe of vacuum cleaner. I had put a handmade vacuum cleaner inside it. So I would like to show that how I had put the vacuum cleaner inside it. You can see here. I had to take off the thread. You can see this bottle. You can see that there is a bottle that I had put inside it. This bottle is nothing but the vacuum cleaner. Yes, my friends, handmade vacuum cleaner that I had made by the help of a Bisleri bottle and a small fan and a motor. Okay, and by the help of a charger or waste charger, a damaged charger. Okay, so you had already seen about its interior structure. You can see that there is a lots of gap inside it that help us to keep here the waste paper or the some important documents or the money inside it. Okay, in case of disposal the dust or the waste material inside the vacuum cleaner, we have to put out the pipe and take out the bottle, and by removing the tape we can throw easily what the dust are inside it. So now so now I would like to show how my vacuum cleaner function works. So, okay, so you can see that there is a lots of paper. Okay, lots of paper that I had put there. You can see now when I switched on my vacuum cleaner, so you can see there is a started. You can see how it goes interior. All the papers are goes inside the vacuum cleaner. Okay, so you just can see. You had already seen, my friends, how all the you can see that are spreaded here are taken by my vacuum cleaner or by my this cute model. So by seeing its function, by seeing how it's work, now you can easily understand how useful is it. Okay, it contain a beautiful structure, a toy like structure that attracts all the children towards their self, and it also contains vacuum cleaner that helps their mother to clean the places that children make dirty. It also helps to clean the places where we doesn't get easily. Means the place like the below our bed, below our sofa sets, below the boxes. There are the very small places that our hand can't reach. On their for their places, this pipe, this my handmade vacuum cleaner we can use. Okay, so here the explanation about my model, about its structure, function, interior structure, about its funny look, that all I had explained to you. I hope that you might be like my model. Thank you.